Hi guys, we are practical creators. On the basis of this channel, we are doing Arduino programming and electronics project. Let's see what's today's topic.
Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we're gonna use this LEDs to make a chaser and program with the Arduino board. And these are the materials required. Okay, first we'll connect the LEDs and the resistors to the breadboard. We'll connect the negative end of the LEDs to the resistors. Actually, this project is similar to the yesterday's one, but this is a chaser. Okay, now that I connected the LEDs, you can take a look. I have connected it to the negative end of the LEDs, so it will go to the ground of the Arduino. Now I am connecting the digital pins to the LEDs. I am connecting it from 13 to 2nd pin of the Arduino and waiting. Okay. Now I connected everything. Sorry that I left one pin. Now let's program this project. Okay. Now let's program it. Okay. I'm uploading the code. It's uploading. Now it's done uploading. Let's test this project. Let's see how it works. There are actually 12 effects, but if I put all those 12 effects, the video would go very long. So that I have put only 7 effects here. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Like this video? Then just click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified as we upload videos like this. Thank you.